Holy dude. Yeah. Okay, we did not know this was here. No way. No way. 50 subs? Whoa! Let's go, guys. I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for 1K on YouTube. Yeah, let's go. You guys are the best. Thank you all so much. And it's been a long grind, but we finally hit 1,000. Just moving forward, we're still trying to grow the channel. We're trying to get up there with the big guys, like Robbie Ferreira, the Story Till Now, 4 Low, all those guys. Yeah, we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna keep making the content, off-roading content, the builds, transformation videos, all that stuff. I will be making a 1K special. It's gonna be like the highlights of the channel, like all the different stuff we've done, just some clips, and then we'll make that video. And all the money that I get from YouTube, which will be like $100 a year, it's all going back into the channel. It's all going to be going into the builds. It's going to be going into the camera gear, all that stuff. I'm not just going to cash out, get a Gucci shirt next day, just flex on you guys. That's not what we're about. So yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate it, everybody. Stay tuned. This video is pretty cool. All right, everybody, Carfleet back. Another Friday off-roading upload for you guys. We've been wheeling a lot lately, and in this one, we're leaving the Ranger right there because we're finally taking the Ram on the first adventure since I did the lift in the 37s. So a few things have changed. I got the rack back on, and look what happened. There's a joint there. I've sealed all of them out, but I missed that one, so it just leaks out rusty water and all over the Ram. Before we go, tape that off because I do not want that to happen again. I'm just gonna wipe all the rust off, and then we're good to go. Super excited to see what it can do on the 37s. We're going to Stave Lake mud flats. So just a little mudding today, kind of break it in, get used to the new setup. But yeah, we got lots of clearance now, front and rear, more body clearance off the ground. So we should be pretty capable out there. But we'll see you guys at the beginning of the trail. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Stave. We're just waiting on Luke. I'm just airing down right now. It'll be an interesting day. Make sure you guys stay tuned. It's gonna be a blast, as always. Check out the rig. On the forest road, it's a bit of a gloomy day, but it shouldn't rain, so it's all you ask for is no rain. It's pretty cold, but it's good. Cold's good for you. We're just pulling up at the flats right now. I don't think I've been here in the Ram since it got stuck that last time, so make sure you guys check that out. That was like almost a year ago, I think. That was crazy. Woo! All right, we're just setting up the fire. Rigs are out. Ram's back in its habitat. Look at this place though. Woo! No way, Luke. Holy! That went right over his hood.
not a big deal, bro.
Yeah.
Not a big deal.
It's kind of easy for the guy, you know? Luke's going for a deep pit here. Yo, you're good. Your bumper's above. Luke just dropped. There you go.
I was expecting to drop this much.
Yeah, that's deep.
After, let us do this a little first. What's going on? Oh, it's
They're
work,
connected
Rachel.
all weird.
They're busy.
It's not gonna take a
I think they just live for this too. They're like, we're stuck. Ladies, we're stuck again. Yeah, 100%. They're not even stuck right now. They're gonna be like, yeah, we towed it out.
A little more. Yeah, she's tight. How'd that feel?
Easy.
You missing the shackle?
We're missing the shackle for sure.
Drive her a little bit. Ah, you're fine.
Get some. You might want to get a little speed. Yeah, speed. Yeah, good. You got her. Woo! All right, we got new addition to the channel. Ooh, a little slow crawl. Oh, nice. Woo! You're good. Come towards me. Come towards me. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. And then go right, because you got that stump there, right? You're good? And now start going right. You got loads of room. You sliding? There you go. Mint. Guy's freaking wheeling right now. I have to wheel on my feet here. Oh! Oh, it's getting sandy. Woo! Keep going. It's getting mucky now, boys. Let's, oh my, quicksand. Uh-oh. It's like quicksand. Let's see if we can get him. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go forward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, Luke is, oh. Holy dude.
Yeah.
Okay, we did not know this is here. Okay, I'm gonna go get my ram and we'll get back here and help Luke out. All right guys, so we just got Luke out of that pit and Luke's gonna wheel out this here, get back up, and we're gonna go get all our camping gear and fire stuff, and then we're gonna head out. But what a day. Luke got stuck twice. We need more shackles and toe straps now. It is what it is out here. Make it work. Woo! Phew! What a good one. Pretty good section here. We're gonna see if the ram can wheel her. All right guys, ram's aired back up. We're back at the beginning. Luke's just airing up right now. But yeah guys, awesome day. The ram killed it. Let me know what you guys think of the ram off-road. I thought it did awesome. Could have pushed it a little harder. We were kind of just chilling, but it's good to take it out again and see how she does. And I think it did unreal with the tires and the lift. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. There's gonna be tons of more off-road content, tons of builds and stuff. If you got any questions about the builds, let me know and we'll try to answer them. If you guys want to do any of this stuff yourself, it's all on the channel. We'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.